In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blank page in WPS Office. Start by opening WPS Office and the document you're working on. Scroll until you reach the blank page you want to remove. Click to place your cursor at the very beginning of that empty page so the program knows exactly where you want to make changes. Now press the backspace key. On some keyboards, it may be labeled delete repeatedly until the blank page disappears. If the page sits at the end of your file, you might need to remove a few invisible characters before it vanishes, so don't worry if it takes a couple of taps. Keep an eye on the page count or the scroll bar as a quick indicator that the page has been removed. If pressing backspace or delete doesn't seem to do anything, the blank page is probably being created by extra paragraph marks or a page break. These are formatting elements that can force content onto a new page even when it looks empty. To check for that, go to the Home tab and turn on Show/Hide Formatting Marks. This option usually looks like a Pilcrow symbol, a little backward P. With formatting marks visible, you'll see dots for spaces, arrows for tabs, and most importantly, labels like page break. On the blank page, click just before the page break label, or place your cursor next to any empty paragraph mark symbols and press delete or backspace to remove them. Work from the top of the blank page toward the previous page, removing only the extra marks so you don't disturb your content. If you accidentally delete real text or a needed object, press undo to bring it back. Once you've removed those extras, the blank page should collapse and disappear. You can turn formatting marks off again from the same home control to return to the normal view and keep your document clean and easy to read. Next, scan your document from the area you edited through to the end to make sure the layout still looks right. Check headings, spacing before and after paragraphs, and confirm that the next page starts exactly where you expect. If your document includes a table or image right before the deleted page, verify that it still aligns correctly and hasn't shifted. When everything looks good, save your changes so you don't have to repeat the fix later. Use Save to update the existing file. That's all you need to remove an unwanted blank page in WPS Office. Locate the page, try backspace or delete, reveal formatting if necessary to remove extra breaks or empty paragraphs.